This video will show you how to customize the statuses, choose which status is the default status when you add a new date, and which status is on the button to mark all the students at once. On the Add View tab, select a course, press the Options button. You see the list of statuses in the order that they will cycle through when you press the status next to a student's name. The first status is the default status when you add a date. The second status is the status on the button to mark all the students at once. You can reorder the statuses by pressing the Edit button and then dragging the statuses in the order you want. So for example, if you want Present to be the default and Absent to be on the button at the top, you would make Present first and Absent second. You can add a new status by pressing the Add Status button. Some people like to add a status such as Slept, or maybe statuses such as Late 2, Late 5, and Late 10, indicating how late a student was. The In Attendance On-Off switch indicates if this status should count as the student being there and is used to count the total of students present when taking attendance. The Email Missing switch indicates if students with this status should be counted when you email or text missing students. The Penalty switch indicates if a status counts towards the count for coloring the student's name red. After typing in the status name, press the Done button on the keyboard, and that adds the status. So now if we go back, we'll scroll down and we see that Slept is there, and again, if you want it to be in a different order when you cycle through, press the Edit button and drag it up into the appropriate spot. You can delete a status by pressing the Edit button and then deleting the status that you want. For example, if we don't want an unknown status, press Delete, and now it's not there anymore. You can press the blue disclosure triangle next to a status, and that allows you to edit these flags and also allows you to set the color from a pre-selected list of colors. So for example, if I want Present to not have a green color but instead have a purple color, I can change that and go back. Now, if I want to make these changes and copy these statuses to another course, I could select my CS102 course, select Options, and now here these have these statuses. If I press the Get Statuses button, I can select CS101, and now the statuses that I've entered in that course are copied to this course. This is broken in version 3.5 but is fixed in version 3.51 and later. See the Instructions tab to see which version you are running. As of the day this video is made, August 27th, 2010, version 3.5.1 is waiting for Apple to approve it, so it should be approved by the first week of September.